Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be achieving this yellow smoky eye with this cute little Barbie lip. It is the end of my Makeup for Beginners series, guys, so now we are really going to be diving into some fun stuff that I am super excited for. Really creative, just really fun artistic stuff. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out. So as you guys know, I always love to start off with my brows. I'm using my Goof Proof brow pencil as always. This thing is just great. You don't have to be too clean with your brows today because this is more of a dramatic, bold look. So if you wanted to make your brows a little bit messy, you go for it, girlfriend. Or if you wanted to make them clean, you go for it. Do whatever you want. To clean up my brows, guys, I'm just using my NARS concealer in the shade Medium Custard, and I'm using my Morphe JH43, and I'm only going to be cleaning off the bottom half of my brows. I'm not going to be sharpening the top, and when I'm cleaning this, I'm really going to focus on the very tip over here, like in my brow bone over there. You guys know. You know what I'm talking about. Just setting those using my 3D BROWtones by Benefit. You guys know the deal. These are really just like quick, messy, easy brows. I'm not going too crazy with them. It is time to prime the lid, guys. I'm just using my Urban Decay Potion Primer. This thing just 12 out of 10 would recommend. You guys know I am a huge fan of their primers. You can dab this in with your fingers, but I'm just using my Sigma P89 brush because I have long nails and, you know. First thing I'm going to be going in with, guys, I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Cremated palette. Oh my god, the plastic is still on there. First of all, I just want to say that Jeffree Star's packaging does not play. Like, if you're looking for adorable, just perfectly packaged makeup, like Jeffree Star is the one to go to. Like, I don't think that I've ever had like better packaging. Like, look at this shiz. So pretty. I love it. I'm only going to be using this for one color, and it's really just to darken the corner of my eye. You can absolutely use just like any old dark color that you wanted. I'm going to go in with the shade RIP, and that's right over here, applying this with my Sigma E55 brush. And I'm just going to be tapping this kind of in my outer corner. I really don't want to apply so much product for this. I wanted to really lay underneath my yellow to make that a little bit darker that we're going to apply right after this. Okay, so now going in with my Hyper Color by Suva Beauty. This thing is literally amazing. I love it. We're going to be diving into this yellow right here called Lollipop using my Morphe JH38 brush. And we're just going to be applying that like right over the gray on top. And bringing that all the way into our inner corner. I also am going to blend out the outer corner of this gray right over here with this yellow, but I don't want to blend the colors too much because I don't want it to look just like a hot gray mess. You know what I mean? So I want to try to keep that yellow on top as much as I can. Guys, I'm switching up my brushes just to bring a little bit of that product up the yellow, but when I get close to the gray, I want to always be using a little bit of a denser brush, and that's going to be my JH30. To switch and bring up that color, I'm using my Sigma E60. Okay guys, now just to deepen up this yellow a little bit, this is like a little bit darker. It is my MAC Chrome Yellow A77 matte eyeshadow, and I am just going to be using my same Sigma E60 brush and applying this kind of like on the lid, but also, there we go. Oh, there we go. But also, I'm gonna bring it up a little bit over here. Honey, this yellow. And just because I brought that yellow over that gray, and I want kind of like a gradual blend going outwards and up, I'm going to just add, I'm not going to add any more product on here. I'm just going to go in with my brush and go into where I want the gray to be. I'm going to start applying my eyeliner now, guys. And I'm using my Kat Von D tattoo liner. If you do not have this, you need it. It's just the best eyeliner you'll ever use, ever. It's just so easy. It's so easy, and it stays on all day, and it's so great. And so I want to make these pretty dramatic and pretty sharp, and like pretty, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not going for a cutesy look. I'm going for like a look, snatched look. I really hope you guys can see this. I know it kind of curves up and then goes down. That's because I prefer kind of like an almond shape rather than a round shape, so I don't want to put too much definition on the middle part or the inner part of my eyeliner. I want the height to be right over here so that when I'm looking straight, it almost looks like more even and more straight and more almondy, if that makes sense. So guys, I'm going really thin on my inner and middle portion of my eye. You can absolutely do your eyeliner how you like it to your eye shape. That's totally fine. This is just how I prefer mine. I want it to be more elongated. So liner is on. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes really quick. Bottom lash line really quick using my Morphe JH38 in my same MAC eyeshadow. Now going in again with my cremated palette in that same RIP shade, only this time I'm going in with my Sigma E30 brush. And I'm going to try to connect this almost to the liner that we have and keep it really thin. Curling my lashes now, and then I'm going in with mascara, and I'm using my Lancome as always. For lashes today, we are going to be putting on Lily lashes in, it's not a shade, in the model? For lashes today, guys, we are going to be using Lila by Lily Lashes. Okay, lashes are on, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you, that was kind of a process and a half. Moving on to face now. I'm gonna be using my All Nighter Face Primer by Urban Decay. For foundation, guys, I'm using a super full coverage Urban Decay All Nighter. I am 5.5, shade 5.5. Honestly, this looks a little dark for you, girl, but we're gonna go with it. I'm using my Sigma F80 brush. If this is the wrong shade, just like Forgive me. Oh, it's not bad. No, it's good. Oh, it's great. Okay, cool. Oh my god, the coverage. The coverage. Next on the list is concealer. NARS Medium Custard. You guys know the drill. Applying this with my beauty blender. Immediately setting this, guys, with my Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder and my Sigma F79 brush. Now setting the rest of my face with my Dior setting powder in the shade Light Beige. While I'm letting that bake for a little bit, I am just going to be going in with some black eyeliner on my lower lash line to really make that a little bit more dramatic. It's time to start brushing away that product, guys. I'm just going to be using my Sigma F79 brush. Once I have dusted off the product with that, I'm just going in with this big fluffy brush from Sephora and making sure that I'm really getting off all of the excess product. Time for bronzer, and I'm going in with my Hoola Caramel, and I'm just going to be using the same fluffy brush that I used to dust off this product. For contour, Hoola by Benefits. With my Sigma F25. Now my favorite blush ever, my favorite part of makeup. I'm using my MAC Pink Swoon, applying this with my Sigma F10 brush. It's just so cutie. I just love blush. For my nose contour, guys, I'm just going to be using my Hoola again with my JH10 brush. It's kind of just like a skinny, flat, tapered brush, yeah. And I'm going down along the sides of my nose in 2 straight lines. That's the first step. I know this looks absolutely atrocious right now, but don't worry, we're gonna blend it out. I'm using my Morphe JH34 and I'm just going along the sides of that. This is a clean brush. And when I am pushing in this product, I'm only pushing in the product. I'm not going out this way when I blend. I'm only going from the outside in like that, you know? So I'm going very softly a bunch of times, kind of down and in. Okay, now to make this look less insane, we're gonna be going in with that same Dior setting powder that we used earlier in the shade Light Beige. And I'm going to be bringing this down the sides of my nose, like so. Okay, so while we let that bake for a minute, I'm going to be spraying on my JH39 brush with my MAC Prep and Prime. And I'm just going to be adding some of Fenty Beauty's Diamond Bomb to my inner corners. Now moving on to highlighter, guys. I'm going to be using my same Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb with my Sigma F06 brush. And this is like a really loose glittery. I mean, it's packed, but it's pretty, it's pretty loose, you guys are gonna see. But I actually just want like a glitter. Like I don't want a crazy highlight here. I just want a little bit of glitter, you know what I mean? This is more of a packed glitter than anything else. Oh boy, yes. It's literally like diamond dust. I love it. Okay, besides on my nose, guys, I'm gonna use an actual highlighter, and I'm going in with my Kat Von D Alchemist holographic palette. Okay, and I'm going in with this green shade right here, green emeralds, and I'm just going on the tip of my nosies and then down a little bit with my finger. That's a lot. Oh boy. Blending that out with that Morphe brush that I use to apply more product with. Oh, that was a lot. Oh well. I'm just gonna get off the rest of my product with this also. You know, I'm really liking the way that this green is looking, so I'm gonna add a little bit to my cheekbones as well. For my lips, guys, I'm just gonna be using my Victoria Duke lip liner in the shade Misty Brown. And then for my actual lip color, guys, I'm using my Huda Beauty Demi Matte liquid lipstick. So this is like a really pinky pink shade. You can definitely use something a little bit more neutral. I just think it's gonna be cute with this yellow look. Okay, so last step, guys, we just have to set our face. As always, I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay All Nighter. Give this a couple squirts. And so this is it, guys. This is the finished look to this yellow glam Barbie doll thing. Whatever you guys want to call it is fine. As always, if you have any questions, suggestions, recommendations, leave below in my comments. Make sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I cannot wait to see y'all next week.